I don't think I chose Dubai. I think Dubai chose us because it's a very integral part of Happy New Year. In fact, the New Year happens in Dubai, and it's literally a character in the film. It's not just a city. And I think Dubai's got beautiful locations. It's got the infrastructure. It's glamorous, and it's got a culture that's not there anywhere else in the world. So, which is why we all came here.
Dubai for me has always been very, very special. I came here with my first film, Om Shanti Om. Shah Rukh and Farah brought me here for the music launch, and ever since then I've always felt like Dubai has treated me like family. I always feel at home. The warmth, the love, the appreciation. So thank you so much for all of that. We've had a wonderful shoot so far.
We've always heard of the red carpet being rolled out, but I can tell you safely that is the first time that I have seen a red carpet rolled out, studded with diamonds in the shape of hearts. I cannot thank you all so very much for not just the facility and not just the convenience, but every single facility that has been meted out to us and given to us with so much love, and every nook and corner and every door that's opened for us. I cannot thank you on behalf of the team. This is coming straight from the heart. It's not very often one gets to say things with such honesty and love.
We were shooting at the Dubai Mall day before yesterday, and the warmth with which the bystanders were just receiving us was very touching. It felt like they were welcoming us into their own homes. They almost took it upon themselves to help us with crowd control, to set up a shot. Some of them even actually volunteered and came and sat in the shot as extras. And it's this attitude which I'm very sure will encourage many more Indian filmmakers to come here and work, is when you see that the entire city, not just the authorities, but even the people want to go out of their way to make it possible for us to come here and make movies. I'm very sure that Farah will make you very proud and make Dubai very proud with her portrayal of this great city in the film.
Dubai has been a very special city. I would say the most important three things happened in my life. The first was City of Life, which made me a part of Dubai, and second, when I broke my leg 6 months back. And the third is definitely Happy New Year. I remember, I always used to say to my mother that an actor always waits for those phone calls to happen in his life, and a phone rings and everything changes for you. I've done so many films, but you always wait for a...
Does your wife know she's not part of the best music video?
in Dubai. I was waiting for my call, and I remember when I got to know that I should call Farah, and I called her from Bangkok and said, yeah, Farah, I just want to be part of this family and just make it happen. And Farah just said, you are there, and all thanks to Shah Rukh Khan. I never thought that it'll happen so early in my career that I'll be sharing a screen space with him.
It's certainly an honor to be here. I can't tell you how big an honor it is to be sharing screen space with Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, it's a dream come true, completely. Ever since childhood, he's been my favorite actor. And
Does your father know this?
And Farah Khan, who is truly a visionary and one of the finest filmmakers in the country. Seriously, I feel that she has a particular vision.
You can also come late tomorrow.
And I feel that the greatest thing about her films is something that I said to her when I first met her, is that her films reflect a great deep love for cinema, and in particularly for Indian cinema. You have a lot of filmmakers around today who love world cinema and love all kinds of cinema, but I think she is truly someone who loves Indian cinema, and we really need that, I feel, in our industry. And it's an honor to be in her film and to be a part of that movement.
Vivan, you don't have to come tomorrow.
I've always thought of Dubai as my second home, second place where I come. I enjoy it most here when I'm with my children, and I wish they were here. But I'll come down for the holidays, for the New Year, and spend time with them. It has been a dream for me that I come and do some concrete work. I come here. I've always, like I always say, I felt extreme warmth and goodness from the people, from all over the world. One of the most cosmopolitan places in the world, one of the best infrastructures in the world. Like Vivan said, an iconic place. I just love the way the city breathes. and you have something for everyone here. But there was always a desire that I'd come here and do what I do best, which is to try and act in a film. And I think I'm extremely fortunate. Prayers have been answered that I got this opportunity where Farah decided that most of the film is set here in Dubai. We are being able to shoot it here and have a great time. So thank you very much, Dubai, for allowing me to fulfill my dream and my prayers to come here and do some concrete work. And as I said in the beginning, I promise you on behalf of this whole wonderful team, Sonu, Abhishek, Farah, Deepika, Vivan, Bauman, and all of us, some of us who are not present here behind the scenes, who work really hard, get up early in the morning, and we're just the face of it. The men and women who've been working behind the scene, I promise on behalf of all of them that we will make a film that will make the city very, very proud, and it will, that will be the nicest and the best way we can thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So thank you, Dubai, and may Allah bless you.